Hi guys, in today's video we'll talk about how to fix your Spectrum cable box. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. The Spectrum cable box is a device that you can use to watch your favorite content on TV. However, there are times when you can't receive cable services and you have to reset it. Here's how to reset it. Through the app. Open the My Spectrum app on your phone. The link is in the description. Sign in using your credentials and from the menu, click Services. Select TV, click Experiencing Issues, and follow the instructions provided to reset the cable box. Resetting manually. Turn on your TV. The word Spectrum will appear on your receiver momentarily. It will appear again with 9 to 10 boxes underneath that are green to yellow. The message downloading or initializing application will appear on the screen, and then the receiver will turn off. Turn on your cable box using the remote or the power button on the box. A message saying your TV will be right with you will show on the screen with a number 8. You may or may not see a countdown. If there is a countdown, wait until you see the number 1 and a picture. Press the menu button on the top right of the box. Resetting online. Visit spectrum.net on your phone or desktop. The link is in the description. Sign into your account and select Services from the menu. Click TV, select Experiencing Issues, and then choose Reset Equipment. And that's it. Fixing your Spectrum cable box is that easy. Thanks for watching till next time.